Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Telegram application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in Telegram and start your search. Once you find the Telegram application, go ahead and tap on it, and if it is not installed already, you will see the install button instead of open. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Telegram application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it and then immediately start signing up or logging into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Telegram application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.